Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another product review. Today we're looking at zero latency. We went and did FarCry VR in Reno, Nevada. This is kind of what the setup looks like. You're not really going to see any gameplay along with it, uh, but check it out.
Oh wow.
Behind you, Joe Biden.
Sea turtle got me.
I'm dead. Good. And I'm back.
Why is he looking at us?
Where am I going to shoot it at?
Did you say shit out?
I did. I'm dead.
I don't have one, but I was hungry, so I'm doing what?
Careful, Joe Biden.
Oh, God. No! Oh, behind us, too? Oh, that's you.
Careful.
They're coming from both areas.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, I just. Ooh.
Oh, that turtle.
Die, turtle.
There's a shark.
Where?
Million. Over here.
Alright, so that is what zero latency looked like. We played Far Cry VR. It was awesome. It was great. It was like one of the most intense VR experiences that I've ever had. We've done that before. We did the zombies before. I would say that the Far Cry VR way better. I don't know. You just have to experience it yourself. I say check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.